Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, MP3, blind spot monitor, ventilated seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2017 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.